Hey guys, Trent here with Sonar Pros. Excited to show you guys a little bit of a trick when it comes to rigging, especially with C-Lite brakes or any sort of braking system on the back of the power poles. So what's come about going into the 2025 season is, for example, my Elite and Bassmaster Open guys, brakes are no longer allowed in tournament configurations. So for you guys that like to have brakes on your boats and you fish at home and use them, but come to the Opens or Elite Series, can't have them, we've come up with a solution with a disconnect. So really easy to remove these off the boat. Simply have a power disconnect right here. Start clipping a couple zip ties, run up the back of the bracket, and then undo a total of 5 bolts, and the whole system comes off the back of the boat. Nice thing about that is we have the disconnect for power, so there's no unwiring in the boat, and it's just a couple zip ties and bolts to take the brakes off the back of the boat. And if you guys are interested in getting your system rigged up like this, you can reach out to us at SonarProsElectronics.com or 770-530-4505.